Kia ora, what's up, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. In the previous videos we created our Toy Invention through SolidWorks, and then we saved it as an STL, and then the video after that we imported it into Ultimaker Cura, and then we set up the settings for 3D printing, and now we are 3D printing the actual parts. My 3D printer is a Creality CR10S5. It has a 500 by 500 by 500 build space area. I've had this since 2018 and I have never really had a problem with it, so this is the brand that I trust the most. This part here, it is one of three parts that make up the handle. So we have a left side, a right side and a centerpiece. You could use, because it's the same, pretty much the same part, I can just use two lefts or two rights that I created in the previous video. Doesn't really matter because they are joining together and they are the same part. So keep in mind while you are creating your prototype that it needs to be fully functional, i.e. it needs to have, if it has LEDs they need to function, if it has moving parts they need to move, etc., and so on and so forth. This is because when you upload your pitch video to the toy companies, it needs to be fully functional and they need to see how it works. It may take several attempts to get your prototype to how you want it. You won't always get it on the first hit when you're inventing, so just keep at it until you've got the result that you need. Because this is a magnetic toy, I'm using wire inserts inside the handle, and this will attract the barrel magnet that the wheel spins around. So you can see here I'm using a hot glue gun. This stuff's good, so it's good for prototyping. So you just put a bead down, let it cool, and if it's not quite right you can heat it back up again and move the part to how you want it, so it's good stuff. I usually use the expensive permanent glue or the adhesive. I know that the parts are perfect, I'll reprint another one and glue it from there. So going back to its design a few more times in SolidWorks and making the ends on the handle a lot more curvier to make it more smoother, this was the result I got. So the wheel should spin and also move around the handle at the same time. Keep in mind that this is a magnetic toy, so you need to use gravity, timing, and also rhythm to keep it spinning and moving. If you spin it too fast, the spinner will fly off the handle. The whole idea is to keep it moving and to keep it on the handle at the same time. That's it for this video. If you've learnt something today, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Cheers.